Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? This clown's a street
I
nigga.
be gassing her, yeah, I'm a player, yeah, she won't fuck with me, yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton. If you're watching this video, Happy New Year. It's actually New Year's Eve right now, but by the time I post this video, it's probably gonna be the next year. As you all have read by the title, today's video is going to be a quick little get ready with me. I'm going to start off this video with my makeup tutorial. Afterwards, I'm gonna do my hair, and then after that, I'm going to give y'all just a little spiel about how I've liked this hair. This is going to be a final review for this hair that I received from UNice Hair. I love this hair, but before I even get started with that, let's go ahead and just hop right in. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows and I did this eye off camera, and now I'm just gonna walk y'all through this eye to the same black smoky eye look. I know I look really crazy right now. I really don't feel like I'm the best person to give a smoky eye tutorial, but I really wanted to go for this look for tonight. Go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my eye, using my Morphe M439 brush. I'm just gonna brush that. And now I'm gonna be taking some of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and applying that in the same spot. So I'm gonna be going in between two palettes today. I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and then I'm also using my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. So I first took my Morphe M504 brush, which is just a big fluffy brush, and I went ahead and started off with this orange color, and I just put that as my transition shade. And I also mixed this orange with this orange here in this shade. So I already put some of that lighter orange, and then I'm taking some of the more burnt orange and just putting in the same area. And I did this because I couldn't really see the light orange, but I wanted it to be like a mix of these two oranges. Like, I didn't want it to be too harsh. Next, I'm taking my Morphe E17 brush, which is just a little smaller brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into these deeper brown colors. So I just went ahead and mixed the two. And I'm putting this a little bit more closer to the crease. So like right under that orange, basically. Next, I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna go in with this reddish brown shade. And then I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. And so I'm just gonna take this red, and I'm gonna also take some of this brown from the Juvia's Place and just mix them. And once you put it in the outer corner, you just wanna blend it in. If you're someone like me that kind of just gets caught up in your makeup not being as blended as you want, just go ahead and either use the same brush or the brush that you used before. I'm just gonna take the brush I used before for my transition shade, and I'm gonna go back and blend that out a little bit more at the top. Continuously go back and just make it blend. Just going back and forth with your colors. The next thing that I did, you don't really have to do this, I just felt like doing it because I felt like it would work a little bit better, but I took some NYX eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on my lid, and then I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon in the color French Fries. This is also optional, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid as well. Now taking my flat brush, my Morphe M167, I'm gonna go in with this black shade and just apply it to my eyelid. Be careful, like I literally messed this up twice and had to start over again. So while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna be going in between this dark shade and this lighter brown shade and just mixing the two and trying to buff it up. And while I also do this, y'all will see me going back into the brown shades just to get it all blended. I just feel like with smoky eye, the key is just blending out that black. Once I got that black and brown a little bit more in, now I'm just gonna be blending it up, and I'm gonna be using the same colors. So mainly the brown, the orange, the black, and the dark orange. So the brown, the browns, and these browns. So now I'm here with my black, and this is when I'm just gonna go back in with the orangey shades and just blend it in just a lot more. Alright, so after years and years of slaving to blend this, here it is. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove off this nasty black all around like my eyes so I can get started with the rest of my face. Alright, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my primers. I'll be using Hello Fat Pores Be Gone Matte Primer from First Aid Beauty and Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I like to use both because it just gives me the perfect look. I'll be using my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I don't really want to put too much. I never usually put a lot of this, just a few squigs. I'm taking my Morphe M439 brush and just blending that in. So I'm going to be going back in with that same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm also going to be mixing a little bit of this Maybelline concealer. Now I'm going to be taking my black Opal True Color concealer stick, and I'm just going to put that in my contour areas. And now I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush and just blend that out. I'll be taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and using my beauty blender. And now I'm going to leave this for 5 minutes while I put on mascara off camera. Alright, so I've just taken off my setting powder, and now I'm going to go in with my blush. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques 400 brush, which is a blush brush. And I'm going to be taking this color here and applying that to my cheeks. Now I'm going to be taking my Becca bronzer and my Morphe E58 brush and bronzing my face.
Are the dreamers of dreams.
And I'm just going to be using my Morphe M524 brush to blend out the bronzer on my nose. So before I put on highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and just blending everything together so that it can all mesh. So now I'm going to be taking my MAC Global Glow highlight, and I'm also going to be taking my liquid glow brush and applying my highlighter to my face. So I totally forgot that I put on eyeshadow when I just did that, so I'm just gonna blend out that highlighter that I put under my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go back in with the Expert Face brush again and just blend out all that highlight that I put on. And now I'm going to be doing my bottom eye. I'm just gonna take this little baby brush, this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna take this dark brown color, it's not the darkest brown, and I'm just gonna basically buffer out what I already have there. And now I'm going to take my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray and just spray my face. So before I go to the next step and put on my eyelashes, I wanted to come to y'all and tell y'all about Iris Beauty contacts because I'll be putting in some today. So this is going to be my second time collaborating with them, but I worked with them and they sent me some contacts. I'm about to put in these sugar brown contacts so y'all can see how they look on my eyes. I've already tried the caramel gray color that they sent me, but I accidentally left the color at home, so I'll just be putting these on today for this video. Inside of the box, this is what the contacts look like. They give you a holder, then they have each contact in a little package like this. If you have your own prescription, you can get prescriptions put in these contact lenses, and that's like a really good pro of them. And also their contact lenses look really, really natural. So I'm just gonna take these out of the packages and apply them directly to my eyes. I'm not gonna put them in the contact holder, but I will put some saline solution in the contact holder and use these once I am done. Now I'm just going to put these in really quickly. So I've just put in the contact, and this is what it looks like on one eye. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on as well. I just wanted to show you guys a before and after for the color amber brown. So now I have both of the contacts in. Today I'm going to be wearing my Butte hair extension eyelashes in the style Fab. Some really, really cute dramatic eyelashes, and I'm gonna just apply these off camera. All right, so before I start doing my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my outfit just to let y'all know what I'm wearing today. I'll also show y'all, but I went to this store at the Fox Hills Mall, Hype Swipe, and I got this really cute lace onesie. It has like lace at the bottom near the thighs, and then it's like lacy up here, kind of like lingerie, but wanted to just be sexy. Now I'm about to put this on, and then I'm gonna come back and wand curl my hair. For my lip today, I'm gonna be wearing my NYX lip pencil in the color Espresso. Then I'm going to be taking my Duo Chromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss from NYX.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of...
Then I'm taking Gingersnap. And then I'm gonna put some more of this back on the top layer. Y'all are probably like, girl, why? I don't know why, I just like how it looks. It's like the gold pops out off like the dark brown color. And this just gives me a look to die for. I don't know if y'all are feeling this, but I for sure am. Now it's time to curl my hair. I'm just going to be using my Sapphire Diamond Wand. I got this hair from Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. If you all have watched my previous tutorial that I did for this same wig, y'all know that I use this for my loose waves. So I'm just going for that same loose wave look today. I'm not trying to do too much because my makeup is already a lot, and so is my outfit. So I just want my hair to be curled instead of straightened though. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up while I do this. And then after this, I'm gonna come to y'all with a mini review for how I love this hair from UNice Hair. So that was it for my get ready with me. So just to give y'all a quick little spiel about this hair, I've been wearing this hair for a little over 2 weeks and I still really like it. I honestly prefer to wear it curled than straight, but most times I've wore it with straight just because curling it takes a little bit longer for me on the everyday. But this hair curls amazing, this hair straightens amazing. I love this hair so much. It's such good quality. It just has a really nice luster. It's so soft, so pretty, and it's just bomb. Like, I love that it gets like bone straight, and I also love like when I curl it or put wand curls in it, like it just stays basically all day. This is like my 3rd time putting wand curls in this hair, and when I curl my hair it literally lasts all day. So I really love this hair. I specifically put it back in for New Year's just because I knew it was gonna be going with the look that I was going for. And I'm also going to show y'all my outfit after I am done talking about this. But it's been amazing. I would still recommend UNice Hair to anyone. This is their body wave unit. I got 24 inches and I believe 150% density. I'll have all the information in the description box below about this hair, and of course my makeup, my outfit, and my contact lenses, and also the wand curl that I use to curl this hair. If y'all have any questions about this hair, please feel free to comment down below. I'll also have UNice contact information in the description box. But I literally have no cons for this hair. It still hasn't been a lot of tangling. It's been like pretty minimal shedding. And other than that, like, I don't know what else I would ask for in some body wave hair. That's basically it for all I have to say about this hair. And lastly, before I end off this video, I just want to show y'all my outfit. Like I said, I got this outfit from Hype Swipe, which is a store in the Fox Hills Mall in California. This is what it looks like. It just has lace here, and it's like some type of nice fabric here, and it's like nice and strappy in the back. So yeah, I really like this. YouTube is probably gonna demonetize me just for showing y'all this outfit, because I swear they demonetize me for every little thing, but it's okay. I just wanted to show y'all my outfit and just show y'all how my whole look came together. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Happy New Year if you're watching this video. It's next year already, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for giving me another wonderful year on YouTube, and I can't wait to see what's in store next year. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you to UNice Hair. Thank you to Iris Beauty. Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.